guys, Andres here from Graphic Bible, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error that you get in Premiere Pro when you try to use the Warp Stabilizer. So I'm gonna apply the Warp Stabilizer to this clip that I got right here. And when I try to do that, I get this error saying Warp Stabilizer requires clip dimension. So in order to fix that, you want to right click and then press Nest on your video. You can change the name if you want, or just leave it as it is, and then you can apply the effect to the clip. As you can see, we didn't get the same error, and the effect is working now. And if you go to the effect controls, you will see how long it takes. So that's how you fix this error, and I hope it works for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment. See you guys in the next time.